The last one is going to be something fun. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can already tell by this title, I am going to try to predict this baby gender because I am dying to know if it's a girl or boy. Mostly if it's a girl, but I'll definitely be happy with a boy too. So there are a lot of old wives' tales and myths out there, like what you can do to predict the gender, and I thought, hey, why not try some? They're cheap. Some of them are pretty much free. You don't even have to buy anything. You probably already have the stuff in your house already. They look like they're interesting to do, so I am ready to try them. I am currently in my second trimester, and no, I do not know the gender of the baby. I haven't gone to get an ultrasound yet. Hopefully I will go soon. I haven't gone, to be honest with you, and that is because I'm just scared. I'm trying to limit myself from going out. Alright, so I am in the bathroom right now. Let me close the door because the kids are watching a movie. So I have my pee and my baking soda out. And so if it fizzles, it's a boy. If it has no fizz whatsoever, it's a girl. We're hoping this thing don't fizz, okay? So we are going to pour the pee into the baking soda. Oh snap, it's fizzing! Oh gosh, holy crap, it's fizzing! Oh no, it's fizzing! Oh my gosh, it fizzed! Oh my gosh, it fizzed! It stopped. It was more like bubbles popping though. It fizzed. Does it mean it's a boy? Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah, I am so nervous. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We'll still be happy if it's a boy. I have two wonderful boys. I'll be happy with a third boy. Oh my gosh. All right. So let's move on to our second wife tale and myths. Test number 2. So this one I got online. So if you are carrying high, then it's a girl, and if you are carrying low, it's a boy. All right, here we go. So this is the belly. This is the belly. So am I carrying high or low? There I go. I'm standing straight. I think I'm carrying low. So this is the front, and then we have the right side. So what do you guys think? Is this high or low? So based on this wives' tale, it's true for me because I carried low with both of my pregnancies and their boys. So I don't know. I don't know if, oh my gosh, could be another boy. I mean, it's the same exact shape. Like my first one, my second one, and now my third one. Does it mean I'm having a third boy? I don't know. Some people say the shape doesn't matter. Some people say if it's like more round, like a basketball, then it's a girl. And some people say if you are, to determine what you're having, if you're carrying like someone's baby, like, and it's a girl and she gets like super fussy or whatever while you're carrying her, then you're having another girl. And if she doesn't get fussy and she's, you know, being nice and gentle while you're holding her, then it's the opposite sex. So I don't know. And it's funny because when I was pregnant with my second, my sister's friend came over and she had you know, a baby girl, and I held her and she was just like, you know, really smiling and loving on me, and then she was just nice and calm, and again it turned out true for me. So I don't know, like, Anyways, we are going to try some more, guys. So let me know in the comments below if I am carrying low, and also let me know what do you think I'm having based on these wife cells that I'm doing, and also what you think based on the myth in the wife cells that you've read or been told. So I'm like really having fun with these little experiments. They're like really fun and cool. So if you're pregnant and don't know the gender yet, go ahead and try them, because this is like a little fun experiment to do. So we are going to move on to the third test.
For this, you would need needle and thread along with a sharpened pencil.
So we are doing the pencil pregnancy test. So you need a sharpened pencil with an eraser at the end, and thread a needle. Make sure you basically thread the needle. So if it moves vertically from wrist to elbow, then it's a boy. And if it moves horizontally across the wrist, then it's a girl. So let's go ahead and try it out. I'm like super excited. I have the fan going and that might interrupt the movement, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. Yeah, you guys, oh, let me turn the fan back on now because mama's hot. For some reason I get hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold. And there was one about if you're mostly hot, then it's a girl. If you're mostly cold, then it's a boy. Then it could be the other way around. But for me, it's just like hot and cold, hot and cold. So it's like, do you know what you are? Like, what you gonna be? What? Just tell me. Oh, baby, just moved. Oh my gosh. Baby just moved. Oh, you think it's funny? So that one, I did not really get a gender out of it, a gender prediction out of it, because it was just like everywhere. So we are going to move on to our fourth test. So if you've experienced swollen legs or if you've had cankles, then it's a boy. So far, no cankles yet. They haven't come in. And when they are in, it's usually like super big. They're like swollen. Then again, it is very difficult for me to determine if I am having a boy or a girl based on this experiment, because I have to be further along in my pregnancy because of my last two pregnancies. The last two pregnancies, my first one, the last 2 weeks of me giving birth to him, I had a cankles. And the second one, the last week, I believe, of giving birth to him, I had cankles. So pretty much I would have to wait till like the end of my pregnancy to determine if that is true or false. It was definitely accurate with my first two, and I had cankles. And okay, a little fun fact. I was actually really excited for having cankles. Is that weird, guys? It's probably weird because I was telling my midwife, like when I had my last appointment, I was like, oh my gosh, I got cankles. Now this time around, she's like, did you get your cankles yet? I'm like, not yet, I'm waiting on them. I don't know, like I am someone who likes to, I love the whole pregnant thing. I love being pregnant. I think I feel better. I have more confidence. I feel sexy. I don't know, it just something about pregnancy to me, it's just a light for me. It just like lifts me up inside, and it's like a glow for me, and I absolutely love being pregnant. I don't know, I love the look of it. I love the feel of it. It's the number one thing that I love about pregnancy is feeling the baby move. Like that right there, it's like no one else can have that. No one else can ever take that from you. And then when you feel that child move inside of you, and you know that you are developing a human being inside your body, I'm helping to create life. You know, that is awesome to me. I love being pregnant. I love pregnancy in general. Of course, no one likes the bad part. Let's just put that out there. No one likes the morning sickness, the throwing up, the headache, no one likes that. I have heard some stories and I'm like, oh gosh, I have nothing to complain about if that's the case. But anyways, enough about my rant. So for this one, I have to wait a very long time for me to even know if this myth is true. So far right now, no, but we'll see. It did work on my first two, so we'll see. We don't know. So the last one is going to be something fun. Oh my gosh. All right, so it says Chinese cultures use a calendar to predict baby's gender. If both your age and the year you conceived are even, you're having a girl. Same if they're both odd. If one is even and one is odd, you're having a boy. So we shall see. We cleaned it off. The kids had a bunch of scrabble on it. So we are going to be writing the age and the year I conceived. So age and year. The age and year, so that would make it a girl. So the first boy was 29.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you...
So you guys see that?
Life was great till you added color.
Oh my gosh. This is pretty interesting. Oh my gosh. So I did it. So with this pregnancy, I'm supposed to be having a girl. And I'm like, what? Okay, this is way too good to be true. I already have 2 kids. Might as well test it out for them, right? To see if it's accurate for them. So if it's accurate for them, then maybe this might be accurate. Oh my gosh. Don't cry. This would be so awesome if it's actually a girl because it's accurate for the first 2. All right. Oh my gosh. All right. I want to check some more. So let's go ahead and check with let's check my boyfriend to see if his is accurate. Oh my gosh, it is accurate for him. I put his mom age and then the year that she conceived him, and it turned out to be a boy. Holy cow. Wow. Wow. That is funny. Wow. Okay, now let me check my mom. Oh my gosh. Holy macaroni. Oh my gosh. This, oh my god, you guys have to try this out. Oh my gosh. If this is accurate, well, so far it's accurate with my first son, my second son, it's accurate with me, and it's accurate with my boyfriend. So it only means one thing. I'm having a girl! I know this is just a game and they just a myth, a wife's tale, but the simple fact that it got it all right on 2 of my children and also my boyfriend and I, maybe I'm having a girl, guys. Just maybe. Oh my god. So I did my mom. Okay, so my boyfriend, let me tell you guys. So my boyfriend, so the age is odd and the age is odd and the year is even, so it's a boy. So for me, my mom's age is even and the year she conceived me is even and it's a girl. I can't wait to buy like a whole bunch of cute stuff. My mom is dying for me to know the gender because she says that obviously it's like before the lockdown when she would go out and then, you know, to like department stores, you know, little boutiques and stuff, and she would see girl stuff and she would be like, oh my gosh, she wants to buy them, but she knows that I don't know yet or whatever. She did say that she was so close to buying some stuff, but she talked herself out of it. Guys, even my sisters are like, dude, I want to buy stuff. What are you having? I'm like, well, you just that eager to spend your money, girl? This was actually pretty interesting. I hope you had fun watching it, because I had so much fun doing it, trying to predict what am I going to have. And it's fun, and I read a whole bunch of different myths, and there's so many that's out there that you can actually try. One tested boy, one tested girl, one test don't know what I'm having, and I don't know. So we shall see, guys. At this point, honestly, guys, I think I'm going to wait. I am going to wait until I give birth to find out what I'm having. I did it first 2 times. Why not do it the 3rd time? You know, keep that tradition going. So you guys are going to have to wait with me. We are in this together, and when the baby's born, we are going to find out if it's a girl or a boy. I'm just playing. Either way, I'll be super happy, but you guys already know that I'm hoping for a girl, you know, just to mix things up. So I hope you guys had fun watching it. I had fun doing this. This was really fun for me. And if you are new, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.